I support the NSA for villains. Nothing less than the NSA. Toughest measures of the NSA. I want Gaurav Arya to start the debate with Majid Hydari responding to him. Viewers, I will state my position first as far as this matter is concerned, and so Gaurav and Majid can begin the debate. After that, Zafar Islam, BJP, Dr. Pallavi Saple, Dean of JJ Hospital, Vikram Singh, former DG UP, Dr. Srinivas Rajkumar, who's General Secretary of the Resident Doctors Association of AIMS. He's written about this. Maulana Sayudur Qadri, Vivek Srivastav, Mufti Muhammad Manzoor Ziai, Majid Hydari, Manasvi Thapar. First, I want to show you some pictures. Viewers, these are the pictures that came in from Moradabad. And these are yesterday's pictures in which healthcare workers and policemen were attacked with stones, and they had to carry this on their head to try and save themselves from large stones being thrown at them. Now it has emerged without a doubt that these are few of the attackers. We are being told because they are women, don't talk about them much. They're just innocent people. No, they are not. The stone they throw is equally capable of killing someone. Secondly, we were against stone pelters in other cases as well. And we have to be against stone pelters here. The people have been identified, and I think we need to have very, very tough action against this. Now, we can't say that any attack that takes place in a particular area, we should not talk about it, because this particular area, there are either people from one religion who are dominant there. I think it's ridiculous to say that if people from one religion are dominant there, we should not be talking about it. We should talk about it regardless of that. Religion has nothing to do with it. For example, the Kasai Mohalla area of Tonk. The Kasai Mohalla area of Tonk. Why should I not talk about it? Should we say, oh, we should not talk about it, it's communalizing, and it's not? The attack is an attack. The cop who escaped this said that unka plan kuch alag tha. It was very well planned, and in Tonk, it was a policeman said, हमें घेर लिया और मारपीट करना शुरू कर दिया. वो लगभग 100-125 लोग थे और हम 5 कांस्टेबल थे वहां पर, which means 125 people wanted to lynch and kill 5 policemen. This cannot happen, Gaurav, without pre-planning. We need to ask ourselves why this is happening, and we need to take these people on in a very strong way, not just debate about it. Gaurav, please.
I think, Arnab, these things have come to pass in many places. You mentioned Tonk, and earlier today you were mentioning about Indore, and you were mentioning about also Moradabad. It is because the state has not shown the same toughness that it has shown in other parts of the country. I have been a strong votary of this. Majid Hydari sitting there. What do we do in Kashmir when people throw stones? We shoot pellet guns, tear gas, and sometimes when it gets extremely provocative, we use actual weapons also. Where are the actual weapons here? Where are the pellet guns? Where are the tear gas, weapons here? Where is the lathi charge happening? Where is the CRPF? Now, you can't have one law for Kashmir and one law for Moradabad and the other law for Tonk and Indore. Number one, anybody who tries to, challenge the writ of the state anywhere, Arnab, he has to be met with strong force. I'm not saying lethal force, but if it gets out of hand, then even lethal force should be used in certain circumstances. Now, these people have been almost, at the point of murdering police people, at the point of murdering, health workers. And I think what Yogi Adityanath ji has done is absolutely right. NSA is the only cure for this mental illness. You're welcome to talk in between, Majid Hydari.
Hi everyone, I'm Sucharita Kukreti. Thanks for checking out Republic World. If you would like to watch more show highlights and live coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to download the Republic World News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.